Hi, AP students. Ms. Johnson here. I am here today to walk you through our week 2 class materials before we meet in person this week on Friday, September 18th. A little background. This is the only week that I know of that is going to be like this. It's very weird the way that our schedule works. In order to give you a synchronous lesson before our asynchronous work, we kind of have to play a little catch up this week. And so please let me know if you have any questions, but I want to walk you through this so that you know exactly what to do before we meet in person on Friday this week, September 18th. So I am in our Schoology course, and you will be going to week 2, September 14th. What I just explained to you is also right there, and you can click on this folder and look in this to find everything. So again, you are watching this video to understand what to do. First task is lesson 1 task slides. So I'm going to open this up and explain what this is for you. More or less, there are 6 tasks that help you better understand what our course is about, and just kind of helps me know where you are at with your writing skills and things like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to complete tasks 1 through 6 by clicking on each task frame. Make sure you're in presentation view mode to view each task. So you will want to present your screen in order to click on each of these tasks, starting with 1 all the way through 6. Each slide will give you directions for each. There are some things about our syllabus in here that are important. Getting logged into College Board and our Remind, watching a few videos about our class and what we are going to be learning, and things like that. Back to the directions slide. There are a few slides that I want you to write a few things down. And so when you are writing, just exit out of presentation mode to be able to write on these slides. This should not take you super long. Once you're done, though, submit to Schoology, and then that task is completed. You can go back to your week 2 folder. Lesson 2 is a review on Space Cat. So again, this is more or less a lesson on, or rather it's a review lesson on material and concepts you might have learned last year. And so again, I want to see where you are at. So the document looks like this. The directions are in this box here. So asynchronous lesson directions. There's a video on Space Cat linked there for you. Options I told other hours. So if you want to take notes on your own throughout this semester in your own notebook, that is totally fine. It's important to keep those notes and know where they are. If you want to take them on this document, you can use this space here to take notes on Space Cat, but this is not required if you're taking these notes somewhere else, okay? Then you're gonna watch the TED Talk, The Danger of Silence. I hope you enjoy it. It really connects with what we are going to be learning about throughout this first semester. So I found that I did not want to take this out because it's good. And so that link is here for you right on the document. Your job then is to fill out the Space Cat graphic organizer, and we are only really going to even we're just focusing on the space. I want to see what you know and what you remember. We won't even worry about cat for this week. But moving forward, we'll talk about those things. So again, just to recap, your job now before Friday by 9 a.m. is lesson 1 and lesson 2. Submit both when you are done. I am here to help you with anything that you need help on. Again, this is the only week that we need to play a little bit of catch up. And so I promise that this is the only crazy week that we need to deal with. If anything comes up from now until Friday when I see you in person, please send me an email or a message on Schoology, and I am happy to help you. I also have office hours again on Wednesday from 2 to 2:30. Thank you for listening.